Hey, second grade, it's Miss Puckett. Today we're going to be working on painting the cool colors of our desert scene from Inez Alvidrez. You should have already painted the warm colors, but if you have to finish it up today, that's what you're going to do. Remember to get your paint all the way to the lines or to the paint that's next to it, because when we go over it with the gold paint, you don't want to have a huge chunk of white sticking out right there. So take this time to touch up any areas that you see might need to be touched up, because we're just going to have a marker to fill in. So maybe I want to fill in that red there. All right, so first I'm going to dip my brush in my green to paint my cactus. You can paint your background if you want first. Again, just the tippy toes. And I'm just going to go ahead and paint all over those lines. When it starts to get scratchy, I need more paint. Again, if you get some on the table, that's okay, as long as you're not getting it on the table on purpose. And remember to paint all of it so that when we go over with the gold Sharpies, you're not gonna have big old white chunks left over. So I'd paint my whole cactus. And when I'm ready to switch colors, I'm gonna start painting the land in my desert scene, alternating or switching purple and blue. All right, I'm gonna finish my cactus in a minute so I can show you the purple and blue. Your paint tray now has cool colors as well as the warm colors in it. Again, make sure not to mix them. I'm gonna come over to my water bath and give it a rinse. 1, 2, 3, 4. If your cup starts wiggling everywhere like that, hold it with a finger. That way it doesn't splash water all over your tray. My brush looks pretty clean. Gonna give it an X on Dirty Old SpongeBob. And now I'm ready to get blue for my background. So I've got the blue, and again, I'm painting it right up to the cactus, right up to the green. When you have your whole paper covered with paint, there's no more white sticking out. You're gonna put it in the drying rack, give your brush a good scrub in the bathtub, exit on Dirty Old SpongeBob, and then put the dirty brush inside the white bucket that's by the sink. I can't wait to see them finished.